Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to HK Keller's online auction bidding platform. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to register, place bids, and make sure you don't miss out on winning items in this auction. Let's get started. As you see, this is our online auction platform. If you're new to our site and you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and click that Login Register button and click the Create Account button. This will ask you for your contact information, your phone number, mailing address, things like that. So go ahead and fill that out. I recommend that the username is also your email address. It just makes it a little bit easier later. Once you have all of your information entered, go ahead and click that Next Step button. Now it's going to ask for your credit card information. If you are purchasing high value items like real estate or OGM rights, we just double check that you are a real person, and we just put a hold on for $1. We don't collect any money for those items, but if you are purchasing furniture or personal property, we will charge this card at the end of the auction. So go ahead and enter all of your information in here. Once all of your information is entered in for your credit card, go ahead and click that Next Step button. After your credit card information has been entered, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. This is the terms and conditions for creating an account with HK Keller. So click the Agree to Terms above and click Submit. Now that your registration is complete, you can click on the Auctions tab, and that'll open up the auctions that we currently have open for bidding. We'll click on an auction, click the Login. It's going to ask you for your username and your password. Once your email has been verified, you can also adjust any of the settings in here. In order to bid, you will need to verify your phone number. If you go to Preferences, select the phone number that you want to verify, and click that button. We will send you a verification code. So go ahead and type that number in here and click Submit, and you should be good to go. So click on the auctions. This will take you back to the home page of the auction site, and you can click on any of the auctions that we have to bid on. Once your bidding is approved, go ahead and click that refresh button, and it should show that you are able to register for the auction. So click that register button. Read through the terms and conditions. This is important because every auction terms and conditions is different. Once you read through the auction terms and conditions, go ahead and click that Agree to Terms button. At this point, you can start bidding. I'm just going to put a bid in here for this lot number 1. Obviously, you want to do your research on the property before you bid, but this is just an example of how to place those bids. So you click the Bid Now button. Now you can enter in a max bid or a regular bid. A max bid will take your bid up one increment above anyone else's bid up to that maximum amount. So I think in this auction, the increments are $50. So if I put in a bid of $3,400 per acre, click that Confirm Bid Amount, it's going to show that it's $3,400 times the 66.31 acres, so it's a total of $225,454. With the buyer's premium, the 10% buyer's premium added on, it comes out to $247,990.40. So click that Place Bid. Now if you look, it didn't take my bid to the $3,400 per acre. Right now it's just the bid of $3,000. Now if someone were to bid against me, you can see what happens. I have another account. I'm going to bid $3,050, and you can see that amount jumped up to $3,100. I'm still winning that amount. Right now, this auction or the practice bidding lot is $3,600 per acre. If I want to bid $3,650, hit the Confirm Bid Amount and place bid. Now I'm winning that auction. I'm going to place a bid on this practice bidding account for $4,100, and you can see what happens. So there, the max bid was $36.50. Another bidder bid $4,100, but it only took it up by $50 above that increment. If I want to bid again, I could bid that $37.50. Confirm bid. Oh, it shows that I'm automatically outbid. I can put in a regular bid of a higher amount. So let's say $4,050. Confirm that bid amount. It's going to automatically jump up to that amount, but someone else was a higher bidder. If I click that $4,150 here, confirm that bid. Now I'm winning this auction. If another bidder outbids me on the practice bidding lot, I instantly get notified that I was outbid. You can change your account settings if you want to receive different text notifications when you're outbid or when your item was won. There's different settings you can choose. Something you'll notice in lot 3 and 4, there's a little link here with a number. So these two lots are linked, so they will end at the same time. One won't end before the other one. If one gets extended, then the other one will get extended as well. The reason we did that is because these are from the same parcel in Greene County, PA. And so if you want to buy one or two or both of them, you can do that. If you're looking for more information about the properties, you can click in the description. We will also have documents available for you to see. If you click on the photo of any of these lots, you can get additional information. You can look at the bid history, information about the auction. You can review the terms and conditions again. Item location, it's in Pennsylvania. And you can review any documents that are with the property. You can also bid directly from the items page. If at any time you have any questions about the auction or how to do anything on the bidding, feel free to fill out this form. This shoots an email to us, and we will get in touch with you as soon as we can. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email us at info@hkkeller.com or give us a call at 717-879-0110.